Each large organization like Amazon, Apple, Google have a partner program, which is allowed to be joined by any person over the globe. If you didn't think about this, at that point, give close consideration to the remainder of this guide, old buddy. You are going to find one of the fascinating parts of bringing in cash from home. Perpetual Income 365 is too good platform that allows its users to perform affiliate marketing. As people think, making money is not a tough task. It is the matter on how you move your business towards the society. Perpetual Income 365 is a software that helps you to earn money by giving you an automatic income machine for years. It is a plug-play affiliate system that helps you make affiliate sales to earn additional income. You can work at home, from a cafe or on a beach and get paid. Sean Josiah is the creator of this system, that helps you to generate income every month without prior experience. The program works based on the secret called MCCA, which means Micro Commitment Consistency Compounding Algorithm. It combines cognitive science, human behavior and the compound interest. It's scientifically proven that it establishes more returns. It is the quickest and easiest path to gain more wealth. It is the great platform for affiliate marketing. Perpetual Income 365 is a wonderful product that is created exclusively for those who backlogs in achieving their dream financial life. Get it now. Official link given in the descriptions.